Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be demonstrating a soft glam look on a fair-skinned model, so keep watching. Alright, so to start off, I clean her face with witch hazel. Then I prep her face using Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer. And then I prime her face using Milk and Magnesia. After applying the Milk and Magnesia, I allow it to dry for 30 seconds using a hand fan. Then I tap in a translucent setting powder in each of the brows. So usually I use Anastasia and Wet n Wild products on the brows, but because I ran out, I went and bought the Revlon Brow Fantasy by Colorstay pencil in brunette, and for the most part, her brows came out really nice. I lightly outline her brows, then brush them out. After filling in both of the brows, I go in with the Tarte concealer. I believe this was medium. I'll put the colors in the description below. Right now, all I'm doing is cleaning up the brows with the Tarte concealer and a flat concealer brush. After blending out all my concealer, I go directly into my eyeshadow. I'm using the Warrior eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place, and the transition shade I'm using is 𝒥𝑒𝓇. Now, I don't know, I could be saying it wrong. I say everything wrong because I have a weird accent, but yeah, 𝒥𝑒𝓇. I'll put the name down in the link description. Now I'm deepening the crease with the color 𝒾𝓄 in the same palette. I'm sorry y'all if I sound tired. I'm editing this at 3 in the morning, so please bear with me. Don't hate me guys, but the camera literally stopped recording as soon as I was done deepening her crease, and I didn't notice until I literally put her concealer on her face. Y'all, I ain't even cut like that, so the next video will definitely be more detailed. The concealer used on her face is the same concealer I used to clean up her brows, and I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender in light tapping motions. Set the areas I concealed with the Sacha Buttercup translucent powder, and now I'm contouring her face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in medium deep and the Black Radiance contour palette in light to medium. Now I'm just applying all my finishing touches, which include blush, highlight, mascara, and lipstick. All the products that I used today will be in the description, so please check that out below. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. I dust off the setting powder before applying blush and highlight, and then I go straight into the lips. So for her lips, I used a MAC lip liner in Chestnut, Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in Sand, and a NYX ButterGloss in Creme Brulee. Y'all know what I mean. So I set all my makeup with the Morphe continuous setting spray, and I tap in all that liquid into the makeup so that if I feel like it blends better in a sense. My dog did not come to play with you hoes. Period. But doesn't she look like Angela from Power? Or I'm tripping. We wasted hard down arguing about this. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank God for all of you.